Question number 14. In this question, we have to answer for two questions, part A and part B. First of all, let's read the question and then we'll go step by step. A lecture period, 50 minutes, is close to 1 microcentury. So what they said? They said 1 microcentury, which is approximately equal to 50 minutes. This is not a right answer. This is an approximate value. That means in the question they gave the value of approximation value of 1 microcentury, which is equal to 50 minutes. That means this 50 minutes is the approximate value. Clear? Now what they ask, you have to find how long is the microcentury in minute. So what is the exact answer if you convert 1 microcentury to minute? So when you convert from microcentury to minute, for sure your answer will be closer to 50 minutes. So that means here you are going to get two answers. The first answer already they gave in the question, which is the approximate answer. But what you have to do, you have to find the actual value. What is the actual value of 1 microcentury, which is equal to minute? And for this conversion, you have to do some conversion. What are the conversions we have to do? Let's see here. First, we have to convert century to year. And then we have to convert from year to days. And then we have to convert day to hour. And then we have to convert from hour to minute. So these many conversions we have to do for converting a century to minute. So let's take 1 microcentury and we have to find what is the actual value of 1 microcentury, which is equal to minute. Clear? But that answer will be closer to, for sure, this 50 minutes. Clear? But this 50 minutes is the approximate answer. Now what we are going to do, we are going to find the actual answer. Clear? Okay, let's see. Micro means here 10 to the power of minus 6. So 1 multiply 10 power minus 6 century we have to convert, because we know in 1 century how many years we have? We have 100 years. And likewise in 1 year we have how many days? We have 365 days. And likewise in 1 day how many hours we have? We have 24 hours. And in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. Clear? So that means we exactly use the conversion equation here for converting from century to minutes. Now you can see century get cancelled with this century, years get cancelled with this year, day cancelled with this day, and hour cancelled with this hour, and finally you will get the answer in a minute. So let's see what's the answer. What's the actual answer? Actually, this is the approximate answer. Now what we are going to do, after you calculate this part, you will get the answer of actual value of microcentury. So that means this is your actual value. So let's see what's the answer here. So I have to use my calculator. Let's see what's the answer. 1 microcentury, that means 1 10 to the power of minus 6 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 365 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 60 and divide by 1. So what answer I got here? I got here as 52.56 minutes. So this is the actual value of 1 microcentury, which is equal to 52.56. But in the question they said your 1 microcentury is closer to 50 minutes. That means the two answers are exactly closer to each other. Now we have to go for our second question. So you can see in second question they ask you to find what is the percentage difference between the actual value and approximate value. What is our actual value? Just before we found the answer as 52.56 minutes is our actual value. And what is the approximate value? They already provide in the question, which is 50 minutes. Now by using these, we are going to find what is the percentage difference, and I have to use this formula. So let's rewrite the formula here. Let's write the formula here. So percentage difference, which is equal to actual value minus approximate value divided by actual value multiplied by 100. Now I have to substitute the value here. What is our actual value? 52.56 minus what is our approximate value? I think in the question they gave approximate value here is 50 minutes, which they already give in the question. You can see here, this is the approximate value. So I have to substitute for approximate, which is 50 divided by actual value, which is 52.56 multiplied by 100. So let's see what's the answer here. So 52.56 minus 50 divided by 52.56 multiplied by 100. I got the answer here as 4.87%. So that means the percentage difference when you calculated between the actual and approximate value, we got here as 4.87% is a percentage difference between these two values. So this will be the answer for your second question. Thank you.